Problem 3 asks us to find the first 4 derivatives, and I'm going to start this problem by making a change right here. I'm going to change this to x to the 1/2 because our differentiation rules deal with exponents, not radicals. So I'm going to rewrite f of x as x cubed minus 4x squared plus 8x to the 1/2. All right, that's the function we'll deal with. So let's find the first derivative here, f prime of x. So we'll bring that 3 down as a multiplier. We'll get 3x squared, bring the 2 down as a multiplier, negative 8x, and the 1/2 down, I'll show it. It's going to be 8 times, right? The constant just comes along. So 8 comes along, and then we bring the 1/2 down and decrease it by 1. So it's 1/2 minus 1. So let's take care of this. So f prime of x is 3x squared minus 8x. 2 will go into 8 4 times, so we'll get plus 4x to the, now 1/2 minus 1 is 1/2 minus 2/2, which is negative 1/2. So we have our first derivative here, and now let's go to the second derivative. So for the second derivative, we will differentiate this one. Let's do it. So the 2 will come down as a multiplier. We'll get 6x, and then we just have a constant times x. So we just get the constant, the coefficient. So minus 8, and then, now I'll write this one. This is going to be 4 times. Bring that negative 1/2 down as a multiplier, and then negative 1/2 minus 1. Decrease it by 1. So f double prime of x is 6x minus 8 minus 2, right? Minus, because you have positive times negative is negative, and then x to the negative 1/2 minus 2/2 is minus 3/2. And there is our second derivative. And let's go for the third. So f triple prime of x is, now we're differentiating this function here. So we're going to get a 6, a 0, and then we'll work on this one. So we'll start it here with a 6, and then negative 2 times, bring that exponent down as a multiplier, negative 3/2 x to the negative 3/2 minus 1. So the third derivative here is 6. These 2's will cancel. Negative negative is positive 3. And then x to the negative 5/2. And there is our third derivative. Let's go on to the fourth. So you know we write the fourth derivative in parentheses up here. So the fourth derivative is, now the derivative of the constant is 0, so we'll just work on this one. This will be 3 times, bring that negative 5/2 down as a multiplier, negative 5/2 minus 1. So how about this? Our fourth derivative is going to be, now nothing cancels, so we get positive 3 times negative 5 is negative 15/2 x to the negative 7/2, right? Minus 2/2, negative 7/2, and there is our fourth derivative.